Hello, welcome to the KOAMTAC Introductory Guide for the KDC and SKX SmartSled Companions. This video will cover the companion attachments available for our SKX and KDC SmartSled scanners. This is the hand strap attachment. It provides a comfortable and ergonomic grip while holding the sled and helps to prevent against accidental drops. The hand strap is included with the SKX SmartSled and can be purchased separately for the KDC. To add additional power to your phone and scanner, we offer an extended battery pack. It provides an additional 2,000 mAh of battery life and includes an optional hand strap for secure grip. To swap out the battery, squeeze the tabs on both sides of the adapter and pull the pack out. Grab a fully charged spare from your charging cradle and slide until it clicks into place. To turn your sled into a traditional trigger-style scanner, we have the pistol grip companion. It is designed and precisely balanced with the SmartSled for maximum all-day comfort. Inside the grip itself is an optional 6,000 mAh battery that can provide additional power to the sled and smart device. When using a sled with the grip, squeeze the trigger to activate the scanner. To swap the battery, unscrew the knob on the bottom and the battery will slide out. Replace with a fully charged spare from your charging cradle, close the hatch, and tighten to secure. The pistol grip and extended battery companions attach to the SmartSled using the same adapter and are interchangeable for businesses desiring multiple form factors. For customers looking to add RFID to their infrastructure, KOAMTAC offers short and long-range UHF readers for both SmartSled scanner models. The half-watt UHF companion has an adjustable read range of up to 5 feet and can read up to 100 tags per second. The 1-watt UHF companion has a longer adjustable range of up to 20+ feet and reads upwards of 400 tags per second. This reader also has a swappable 6,000 mAh battery in the handle. Both barcode scanning and tag reading are done by pressing one of the scan buttons or the trigger. When using a sled with a UHF reader, the default setting is barcode mode. To switch to UHF tag reading, press and hold the up button, which is the small button near the USB, for 3 seconds. You will hear 1 long and 2 short beeps to confirm. There are 3 different tag reading options. The default UHF mode is active reading. To switch between modes, press and hold the down button to move between active, single, or multiple read modes. You can also use the barcodes located in the Quick Manual to switch. Press scan or trigger to activate the UHF antenna. Press once for single read, press and hold to read in active mode, and if using multiple read, press once to start reading, and press again to stop. To return to barcode scanning, press and hold the up button again. For customers reading NFC tags, we offer the HF reader, available only for the KDC SmartSled. The HF companion supports most common NFC tag standards and has a nominal read range of just over 3 inches. This makes it a useful addition for users looking to add NFC as their business evolves. When booting up the sled with the HF reader, you will hear 1 long and 2 short beeps. This means that the reader is ready to use. To read an NFC tag, simply hold up the tag to the back of the reader. It will beep once when the data is read. To add card swipe and chip reading capabilities to your sled, KOAMTAC has the MSR IC card reader. This companion features bidirectional triple-track magnetic card reading and supports most popular IC chip standards, including the latest encryption methods. The card reader has 1 set of 2 LEDs. The lights will glow green and a single beep will sound for a positive card swipe or chip insertion. They will glow red if the read is unsuccessful. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions about these companions or would like to learn more, including info about our SDK, please contact us using the information on the screen and in the description links below.